Hello everybody, how are you guys today? But today I want to talk to you guys more about electrical code and outside equipment you can use for outdoor use. Now, you can use a Gfci outlet or you can use extension cords outside as well, but make sure it is designed for outdoor use. It will have a load on the box, say indoor or outdoor. That's fine. That's what you want to use for outside. Definitely if it's going to be raining or snowing or any type of weather issues, we use style types of plugs. Now, for all you guys that don't understand what electrical code is the type of wiring you use, it's the type of gauge of the wire, and how thick the wire can be to be super cool for outdoor use. Now, there's two different types of junction boxes you can use, and only one of them you can use for outside, and one of them you can use for indoors. And that'll be a indoor junction box because it's not typically 100% sealed, because that won't keep moisture out, because moisture can get into it and destroy your outlets, your Gfcis or your standard gold plugs. But the biggest problem most people don't understand is, why do we need a outdoor junction box for outdoor use? Because the metal boxes, those ones you can get from your local hardware store, are completely designed for outdoor use, designed to protecting your outlet to keep moisture out. But not all other junction boxes do. But each piece of equipment, say you want to decorate your house for Halloween or Christmas or whatever type of holiday, you gotta make sure it's all rated for outdoor use. Now, I actually made a Gfci outlet a long time ago, but it's not the code for using for outdoors. It's the code of using for indoor use only, and that's about it. But I would have to change mostly 100% of my Gfci outlet to actually use it for outdoor use. Can't use it outdoors because I have an interior box. It has holes in it. It doesn't have a completely sealed box. It's not sealed at all. It's not watertight. It's not moisture tight. It's not going to work for outdoors. Now, it is not raining out here, guys. It is a beautiful day out here. Pretty sunny day. No clouds in the sky today. But again, make sure if you're looking for anything for outdoors, make sure you look for outdoor loading on your boxes, and also your timers, and also all your different types of decorations you would like to use outdoors. Now I want to show you my Gfci outlet I made years ago. It is a standard electrical code for indoor use only, not for outdoor use. Alright? I can use it out here for a dry day, but again, gotta make sure it's underneath a porch, something that has an eavesdrop on it, and make sure you're protected from the elements of the water as well, and moisture as well. Well, let's go ahead and turn you guys over here. Here is my Gfci outlet I made years ago here, guys. Years ago. This is something I was tinkering around with for a very long time. This is rated for indoor use. So you guys can notice this is an indoor junction box, not a outdoor junction box at all. And we got this 12 gauge extension cord wire right here. It goes all the way down to the on end of this 15 amp outlet plug, the adapter you plug into your wall. Now this is only rated for indoor use, not rated for outdoor use here, guys, because it's not, again, watertight or water sealed, because you have parts here or it have to be sealed. If you want to seal this plug, you may have to put some silicone around the plug itself to actually give it more of a watertight, but you actually do have our plugs out there or a bit more watertight as well. Now, this cord you see right here, this can be waterproof completely, 100% waterproof, okay? Because it's no way moisture or anything can get inside of this black cord. But anywhere it has an opening, water can corrode the copper wire, 12-2 gauge wire, stranded in this cord itself, and then you have to cut it, then you have to restrip it and reattach it to your plug. Now, here we got a couple questions for you guys. Now, here's your earth, ground, your hot, and your neutral right here. You guys, can you see that? That's what you do. You do not ever break the grounding off, because that is most of your safety as well. Now, this cord is not that long, but it is nice long enough for what I can use it for indoor use only. Now, all this stuff is rated for indoors. None of it's rated for outdoors. Even this Gfci outlet is not rated for outdoor at all, because this is just a standard Gfci outlet designed for indoor only. Now, you have ones that's tamper resistant and water resistant outlets as well. Now, I already took the screws out here. We're gonna pop this open here, and we're gonna show you why this box cannot be used outdoors. You guys can see it is not 100% sealed, because the way this box is molded, or it's shaped and made, it's just folded over and spot welded on the 4 of the corners to actually hold the box together. And here we got some knockouts where you can actually knock out your holes to put straining leaf wire clamps on the wire itself. These little guys here. And you actually do have different things like these you can attach your wire to your metal box as well for outdoor junction boxes. Now, this box is completely 100% safe for me to use for indoor or lightly for outdoor use, but I will not recommend using it outdoor. I'd recommend changing everything completely. The Gfci outlet, the box itself, the cable, and the end all the way down there, I recommend making sure you actually have a solid cord versus a end. You have to make sure it's watertight. Now, this is all standard electrical code. Okay, you guys notice we got your hot, we got your ground, and we got your neutral. And the neutrals or your color codes, and the ground typically would be bare copper, or would have a sleeve like this, like a cuddle on it, would be green. That's your earth ground for your electrical box. Now, of course, this box is earth ground, and you guys can see all the way down in the box itself, we got a earth grounding cable tied with a pigtail on the wire nut, and we got my main ground and the outlet itself. Now, this box is a sturdy enough box. This is considered metal, and this is considered only using indoor only, not outdoor. Okay, guys, the difference is I will show you. Guys can see what's on that side. That is a waterproof box with a waterproof cover on it. And that's a Gfci outlet on that side with a waterproof box and a waterproof cover. Now, the reason why these are called waterproof, now, they do have different electrical covers. You can actually protect more of your equipment as well. Now, this is waterproof this way. Once it's open, the Gfci outlet is disposed to moisture and to water as well. This is not a very good lid cover for the box, but it's much needed for electrical code as well. The exact same thing goes with this one. Now, with this Gfci outlet, this is not a Gfci outlet. This is just a standard outlet connected to a Gfci outlet. You guys can see. Again, it's waterproof, but once it's been opened, now it's not waterproof at all. Moisture and water can actually get into this type of outlet. The exact same thing can happen to this Gfci outlet with this standard electrical box. But this is not rated for outdoors at all, guys. This is only rated for indoor only. That's the difference with this system. But everything is required by wire code and making sure everything is actually 100% safe and effective for me to use this type of system. Now, one major problem with a lot of people that do not understand about grounding the box, when you ground the little metal lid here or cover with the Gfci outlet, and once you take it off, the box is no longer grounded because you don't have this pigtail cable on here at all to protect the box itself, because if you have a hot touching in contact with this metal box, you're going to get a 125 volt zap and a very lading shock as well from this as well. This is not rated for outdoors at all, guys. Like I said, it's only rated for indoor only, indoor use, and this is a good style box to try to fiddle around with. But if you want an outdoor box, make sure you get a sealed box. Different boxes, you have different things for outdoor use. Now, this is, again, indoor only. You guys can see it got a bunch of holes on the inside, so you can actually anchor this to your studs or your walls or whatever you want to call this thing. You put it on your wall. This is not rated for outdoor use at all. It's only rated for indoor. Anyways, that's about it, guys. Alright, now, you gotta understand more about what you're doing. Definitely if it's going to be using stuff for outdoor use or indoor use. You cannot use indoor material for outdoor use. It will not work. Alright, guys, I guess I explained a bit about my Gfci outlet and the electrical code as well. But if you're brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye, guys. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Later, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.